In this video, we will compare two popular portable ice makers, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best choice for your needs. When it comes to price, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $199 United States dollars, while the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker is significantly more affordable at just $79 United States dollars. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and ice making needs. In terms of ice production, the EASYERA model can produce up to 33 pounds of nugget ice in a 24-hour period, while the SMUG model produces 26 pounds of bullet ice in the same time frame. This makes the EASYERA a better option for larger gatherings or parties. The EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is great for drinks and cocktails, while the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is perfect for cooling beverages quickly. But, depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker have their unique features and advantages. If you prefer nugget ice and higher production capacity, the EASYERA is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with quick bullet ice production, the SMUG is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.